Second button jumps. Okay. You see, no other cheats are enabled. We should be fine. Come on. Yeah, you're right, Steve. The HES needs an update. Also, Steve, what's your plan for today? Because I'm going to stream for another hour. A bit more, maybe. And then I can send it over to you if you want. Oh, I got a hit there. Okay, that was too greedy, I guess. I eat and watch. Yes, sir. Enjoy your food. You're not in a hurry today? No, of course I'm in a hurry. But you know, if I can give you a raid, you have more viewers, which helps you get affiliate for all the cool things. And you know, Steve, I would love to help you. You know, I'm always helping you if I can. Look at her. Look at her. She's like, I don't wanna mess with you, sir. And I'm like, yeah, there are certain things you cannot avoid, snail. Okay, you know what? If it doesn't work from here, let me just do it from here. Bonk. There we go. Okay, we gotta wait this out one more. It's a tanky one. We just kill it then. Okay. Can see the full map here. Looking good. Also, I think the game audio was a bit low. I'm sorry, guys. Didn't check for that, did I? Anyways, the game doesn't have music anyway, so nothing lost. We take all the upgrades we can get. It's always the golden rule. Okay, and we're too close. I'll wait up for him to come, and there we go. Okay, he's not interested in that. So maybe a bit closer, a bit closer. Come on, a bit closer. We gotta take our time. Oh, there we go. Oh, Silver Star is nice. Okay, now for the room, that's no fun. Steve has had his fun in this room. Oh, that was not the direction we wanted, but hey, what can you do? He can't care less about us, can he? Oh, Chucky? Chucky! Got a chocolate bar. That's good points. See him trying to get away? You know what? No. This is over now. Oh. Okay, the trick here. Drop one, press down. Good. We got it. Okay. Oh, yeah, that works. Because dropping gives you more damage. And now we got an item to faster charge. Oh. But we take the star. Let's go fast with the bike. There we go. Okay. Took it. Level 3. Good run so far. I think this is gonna be a new high score. Ah! There we go. We're not clowning around, are we? Oh, come on. Not a fun room, is it? Okay, let's check. Ooh, that was close. We're on 1 life point. The run could be over in a second. Ah. Anti-Nova League is your track of the week? It's a good track. Okay, wait. We gotta do this methodically. There we go. I would give a lot for milk right now. Whatever item we can. What? Interesting. Ah. Okay, it won't get worse, will it? Come on, Snail. You can do it. Go. Not what we wanted. Oh no, I jumped. 88,400. 88,400, that's our score. That's our score, 88,400. It's better than the old one. We'll take it.